Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn an amazing trick of how to multiply a double-digit number by 11 without actually multiplying, okay? So let's see how do we do that. Let's say that we have the number 63 times 11, okay? So the trick is you just copy down the digits as it is with a gap in the middle. And now the second step is to add these digits. 6 plus 3 is 9, and that 9 should come here in the middle. And this is the product of 63 times 11. This is the result. Yeah, isn't that easy? So the first step is to copy down the digits. Second step is to add the digits and write that sum in the middle. Okay, so let's verify this now, whether it's really correct or not. So 63 times 11 we have here. 11 times 3 is 33 here. And 11 times 6 is 66. Plus this carry is 69. So do you see that we get the same result in both the cases? Yeah. This is by trick. This is by actual multiplication. Aren't we getting the same result here? So why not to be very smart and use this trick instead of multiplying like this? Yeah? Okay. Let's try one more example here. So let's say that we have the number 44 times 11. Okay. So we copy down the numbers 4, 4 with a gap in the middle. We add the digits. 4 plus 4 is 8 and we write it in the middle. This should be the product of 44 and 11. So if you do 44 times 11, 484 is your result. Let's verify this. So 44 times 11. 11 times 4 is 44. Okay, 11 times 4 is 44 again. Add this 4, which gives you 48. So isn't the same result in both the cases? This is by trick. This is by actual multiplication. So remember to use this trick next time and onwards. Yeah? Okay. Okay. So the last two examples, that are 63 times 11 and 44 times 11. In both the cases, what we saw, the sum of the digit was single digit. Yeah. That's why we could do that easily. But what if the sum of these two digits is bigger than 9? Yeah. What do we do in that case is what we are going to see next. Let's take some examples and understand that. So let's say that we have the number 87 times 11. Yeah. So the first step is same here. We'll be copying 87 like this. The digits will be copying as it is. Now we add 8 plus 7, which gives us correct 15. We write it in the middle like the second step. Yeah. But the next step is little different here. What we do is we add these two first digits, which is 9, and copy down the remaining two digits, which is 57. So if you multiply 87 and 11, your result should be 957. Let's verify this. Here you have 87 times 11. 11 times 7 is 77, carry 7. 11 times 8 is 88. 88 plus 7 is 95. So do you see the same result in both the cases? This is by trick. This is by actual multiplication. And you must remember to use this every time, next time, and onwards. Let's take one more example here. So let's say we have 94 times 11. Yeah. Okay, so we copy down the numbers, digits 94 as it is. The sum is 13. Let's say 13 here in the middle. The next step is to add the first two digits, which gives us 10. Copy the next as it is. So here, 34. So if you multiply 94 times 11, the result should be 1034. This is your result here. Let's verify now. 94 times 11. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 9 is 99, and 99 plus 4 is 103. See, we got the same result. And any number you take, you're going to get the same result. So this is foolproof trick. It is going to be successful every time for the double-digit numbers. Yeah, so you have to just remember the two different tricks when the sum of the digits is 9 or less, and when the sum of the digits is more than 9. Yeah? All right. I hope you enjoyed this trick. And if you like this trick, do share with your friends, family, whoever think is going to be helpful for. Thank you so much.